will look in one program like string reverse, how to reverse a string using two-pointer approach. Here if we take as a hello and the output will be the OLLEH and the process will be like below. Like we'll take an array and we'll do the calculations and the code will look like this one. This is the code which actually transfer the string into the reverse one. And at the final stage we will look into that how this string reverse will do in single step using a string builder. Okay, stay tuned for this single line solution for the string reverse. Okay, now we'll go to the explanation. Suppose if I take an input as a hello and output is OLLEH, this is the output after the string is reversed. Okay, now I am taking as input as hello. This is a string input and I have converted that into character array. This is the character. H is a 1 E L L O. This is the character array. In this character array, what I am checking is this array. This is array means array starting index is 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 5 elements and the index will be the 4 is the maximum. The two-pointer approach is one pointer will put in the starting of the array and the another pointer will be in the ending of the array. Like I will be pointing to the 0th index and j will be pointing to the 4th index. What we will do? We will reverse that the characters in the at the pointer at the two pointers. Like h will be replaced to 0 and 0 will be replaced to h. Once after the conversion happened, the final string is OEELLH. Now, once the strings are interchanged, the characters are interchanged, then we'll increment the pointer for I pointer to 1 and the decrement the j pointer to 3. Okay, and while compare these two characters E and L, and we'll exchange these two characters in the places. For ith character will be to go to the j place, and jth index character will go to the ith index. Okay. Now after converting, this will be OLLEH. Now the final string is OLLEH. Now we'll increment the ith index one plus and jth increment one decrement. Then it will pointing to both are pointing to index 2 because I and j both are same. Then there is no need to interchange the characters. Okay. Now once this I or j are equal or less than, then the all our characters in the string will be interchanged, is reversed. Now we will executing the program with the output is OLLEH. This is when we reverse this one, this is hello. Okay, now we'll look into in program how we implement this in Java. I'm taking I'm taking the input as a hello and I'm passing this hello to find the reverse string like string reverse. To this method I'm passing this hello as the input. Once this string reverse is computed, this hello input and it will return the reverse of a string. Now the input now we'll got here input as a hello and I am converting this hello to the character array. Now after converting, the character will be like this HELLO. These are the different characters in the character array. Now our syntax is our approach is two pointer approach. This is the first pointer. This is the first pointer. This first pointer will start from the starting of the array and this is the second pointer. This second pointer will start from the end of the array. The start of the array will be the index 0 and the end of the array is equal to input length minus 1 because the length and the index is index will start from 0. It will be always less than the length of the string. Now the base condition is whenever start the start index less than end index, that means the characters are available. Now we'll loop through this while condition, what will happen? Uh, Here, the start index is 0 and the end index is 1. That is 0 less than 1. It is condition is true. Now I will take the characters of start index. Here, the character is this one. Start index is H. This will be stored in the temp. This will be stored in the this will be stored in the temp variable. Once this variable is stored, what I am passing is characters of start index equal character of end index. What is the character in the end index? That is the this one 0. This one will be copied to the starting of the array. Means after this statement is executed, this one is like 0 and E and L, and this one is always 0. This one is also 0 because that is not replaced. Once this step is done, then what I'm doing is characters of end index. That means the end of the array. This is replaced with the temp variable. In the temp variable we have H. Then the character will array will be changed to like this. Now the character array. Now the character array will be replaced to this one. Now the character array will be like this. Okay. After this the positions which is 0 and the end of the array. These positions characters are interchanged. Now we'll move the first pointer to 1 and the second and the end of the pointer is 4 from 4 to 3. Now we'll move this pointer backwards 3 to 3. Again, we'll check the condition. This is while we'll check the condition. Start index is 1 and the end index is 3. This is 1 less than 3. The condition is true. Now it will go through this one. Go through this statement and it will copy the in a temp variable. It will copy the L in the index 3. In index 3 we have L. It will copy the L. After that, once that is copied, now it will execute this characters of start index equal to character of end index. Now the character of start index is G E, that will be replaced with the character of end index that is L. Now the array will be character O and the L, it is replaced L and the same L will be here and this one is H. Now in the temp we have L, right? No, the character start index is called character of end index L, it will come, and the in the temp we have start index is E. We have E here. Now we'll replace that end index with the temp variable. Now what will happen? It will happen if the end index is 3. Here it will be temp variable is equal to E. Now HELLO. Now once these two characters are interchanged, now we'll increment the start index to 2 and the end index will be decremented to 2. Okay. Now we'll go to this condition, while condition start index less than 2 is here. Start index is 2 and the end index is 2. 2 less than 2 equal to false. Now this is false, right? Now false, this condition will not be executed and the statements will all statements are skipped. Now it will come to return of new string of characters. Now we have the end, we have this character array. This will be converted into a string and it will be written like this: 0 LLEH. This is hello. Okay. Now this hello will be written to the calling function. Now this return will be to calling function and this will print here the reverse of a string. Now we will check this program while running this program. We'll check the output whether the program is correct or not. See, now we got the OLLEH. This is hello For the hello output, the reverse string is OLLEH. Now, what I told is at the beginning of the, we'll do this reverse of a string in a single step. For this, we need to use the new string builder. New string builder will get the string builder and will pass the input like hello, and we have method here reverse. We have reverse method and we'll convert this that to string. Okay, now it will get the reverse string. Now it will get the reverse string. Now if I if I print this one, if I print this one, we'll get the reverse string. Now I am executing the class again and we'll see whether will it return to reverse strings or not. See, hello and hello. This reverse string we can achieve in the only in one step, one single step using the string builder and the uh, predefined method reverse. But in some cases, in the real interviews, interviewer will ask, don't use the existing functions. Then we need to write our custom logic like this. I hope this helps for our interview preparation.